going to demonstrate how to hang a shelf, including what type and size of shelf, where it should be placed, and what tools you will need. The shelf we're going to install today is 17.5 inches wide and 4.5 inches high. The color will go good with the rest of the decor in the room. You're going to want to place the shelf somewhere where it won't get in the way. For example, if it was on this wall, the door would hit it and would chip paint. If you had it on this wall, the shelf is too small and the wall looks really plain still. This size shelf complements a smaller wall space much better, and it's in a place where it's tucked away and won't be bumped. When shopping for shelves, you can buy your parts separate, or you can buy a kit like this one. It comes with screws, the shelf, and instructions for installation. You'll also need... Yes?
Dana, is it okay if they put it down because my hand is just a little...
Outside of the kit, you're also going to need a level and a power drill.
And a box.
To actually hang your shelf, you set it on your wall where you want it and set the level on top until the bubble is in the middle, indicating that your shelf is ready to be hung. You then mark the edges of the shelf and take the level off and mark where the screws are supposed to go. As an added precaution, feel free to put the level on the same dots you did and draw a line from one to the other, which will make sure that your level shelf will be level. Now for the power drill. The next step is putting the screws into the marks that you just made on the wall. Repeat this step for both sides. Did you like whistle? The final step is hanging your shelf onto the nails. And then you can place decorations on top of it. Today I have informed you on how to determine what kind of shelf is best for your room, where to hang it, and how to do it.
Good.
Today I'm going to demonstrate how to hang a shelf. And I don't recommend hanging the shelf here because this just looks ridiculous. The last step is hanging your shelf. Seriously, this is never on. The next step is to actually screw the thing. Made to be out more.
Even more?
Yeah.
No, the other ones they had to be out farther too. Oh my god, I cannot wait to tan.
Me either.
When shopping for you. When shopping for shelves. Okay, this is on.
Okay.
When shopping for shelves, you can buy a kit like this one. I was supposed to say that a second. When doing your shopping for yourself, you can easily buy your parts. Stop! What? When shopping for yourself, you can buy the tools separate. Why are you laughing again? We're going? I know. Okay. When shopping for yourself, besides that, you also need a level and a power drill.